Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm coming at you barefaced because we're doing a winged eyeliner tutorial. I had realized a couple days ago that this year marks 10 years of me wearing eyeliner, and I figured what better way to celebrate and also answer all of your guys' questions, because you're always asking me how I do my winged liner with none other than an in-depth YouTube video. So let's get into how I do my winged liner and how you're gonna achieve it this year too. The eyeliner that I'm using actually is the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. This has been an OG for me ever since I've been doing my eyeliner, so about 10 years now. So I like to start off by this area right here where my lower lash line ends, and I will kind of drag it out of here just like that. And you can see I have a really faint line that I've placed, and that's me kind of mapping out my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go to the place where I want my eyeliner to stop, and for me it's gonna be right here, and I'm gonna drag that area down right up until we meet up with that line that we just made. Again, at this point you want to just make sure that you are darkening that line and make sure that it's straight. The way that I like to get the straightest line is always by going in quick motions. Now that we have probably the hardest part of your wing completed, what you want to do is find the middle point of this wing, which is going to be around right here for me. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of sketch out a triangular shape to about 1/4 of my eye. See that super faint line? That's our wing. The wing is done after you fill that in. So just go ahead and fill that right in. Now for the lash line itself, since we've already come about 1/4 of the way in, you just want to go ahead and start off with your inner corner. Again, pointing for the inner corner should be inwards. Super thin and super close to your lash line, when all you are going to be doing is just slightly moving the pen like this. You're applying minimal pressure, but you are putting down on a little bit. Then I like to kind of close my eyes, and you can kind of adjust the thickness of this lash line area as much as you'd like. You can adjust how thick or thin you want this to be once you get the base structure down. I just adjusted it to be a little bit thicker. Now that your wing on this side is all complete, I'm gonna grab a little bit of mascara and just put that on. This is the Milk Kush mascara. There you go, your wing is now complete, your eye makeup is all good, and now you can do a wing at home. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.